And here's our final exciting composite image, and I can quickly spot a little problem there. There's a little bit of the background layer, the final layer showing through, and we want to mask that out with a clearer patch from another layer. Now that's the great thing about layer masks. If I go to layer 3, take a white brush, I can reveal a little bit of this layer to patch over the unwanted bit of guy in the background there. So Control plus, I've got a white brush, and I'm just going to click and spray to reveal some more of layer 3 just to hide the unwanted pixels there. I'm just going to use the left square bracket to shrink the brush down a little bit, and let's just erase over this elbow and also the cap here as well. There's a bit of tree showing through, so that's a little bit more appropriate than it was before. And I can press X to change to a black brush, and that brings things back. X to go to white again, and that hides things. So layer masks are fantastic, and it's great that we can get them into Photoshop Elements. But let's just zoom back out now by going to Z for the zoom tool, click fix screen, hit tab to hide everything, and that looks a lot better, and we're less distracted now by duplicate shoulders and things like that. And another way of fine-tuning the shot is just to look at the composition of each frame. This bike could really do with being a little bit further down here, just to kind of join them all together in a kind of chain. And to do that, what we can do is hit the move tool, click auto select layer, click on the bike, and that automatically selects the bike's layer. And then if you just drag it down like so, you'll find we need to adjust the mask to reveal the bits that are hidden. So let's hit tab to get the layers palette up. Click on the mask, grab a brush tool, and we need a white brush, and if we just spray in now with the white brush, that will then make more of the bike visible as it makes this part of the layer become solid. So there's the guy in a repositioned location, and that just looks a little bit better from a composition point of view. So that's a little fine-tuning. Again, because it's layer masks, we've got absolute choice over the final look of the image. We can change our minds and reposition things using layers as well. So it's a fantastic way of creating the perfect composition.